Hey yo, what's happening? It is the internet Somandla, the one and only, the god of the internet. Your boy that just reached 100,000 subscribers, and that's the reason why we are here today. Today I'm gonna be unboxing my YouTube Plaque. I've been waiting for this for the past. I reached my 100,000 subscribers like February, if I'm not mistaken, and yeah, this is like the longest overdue of my life. But finally, we are here. You know, this is like one of the biggest achievements of my content career, you know. Shout out to you guys if you are watching this, the likes, shares, the subscriptions, the recommendations. Appreciate you guys. I am nothing without you guys, you know, because if you guys are not there, then who's gonna watch the content, you know. So I appreciate you guys so much for riding with me since day one. Wow, it was actually very quick because they sent it like a week ago, you know, and it arrived exactly 7 days. So that was like pretty quick for international shipments, knowing how they take months and everything. So yeah, it is finally here, delivered to Mhlengi. Yeah, no, most of you guys don't know that name. Please don't call me Mhlengi. Please spare. You know, it is here. 100,000 subscribers. So let me. Damn, I don't know. Well, it's just. We came a long way. Like we really came a long way. Like a long way. Like a long way.
When people used to say we are forcing and all that stuff.
Niggas talking about they don't do shit. I'm here to change that shit, my nigga. Who would've thought this would happen? Who would've thought this would happen like this? Yeah. Your boy's on now, my nigga. Whoa. It's finally happening. Is it a dream or reality? Yeah. Either way, I'm winning, my nigga. Yeah. Either way. All praise to the Most High. I'm paid, getting booked now. I see clouds when I look down, putting on my time. Everybody know my hood now. 01 to the 2 now. Can I just take you to it? Do it all through the music. Show you my true influence. And why I got new exclusives. And why I don't fuck with fame. And why I ain't never changed. Everything has its time.
There's a letter here from the CEO of YouTube, Susan. Yeah. It's the letter, something like this, as you can right here. Yeah, it's from Susan. I'd love to say her surname, but she's old and I respect old people, so I won't say her surname. So the letter reads, you've just done something that very few YouTubers create. Oh, okay. English, man. Guys, how's the Kulum Zulu? Oh, subtitles. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribing to your channel. Appreciate you guys again. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. Fact. They were inspired, challenged, and entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. You already know. What you've accomplished can be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. Nah, I do. No, they're wrong. I do this for rewards, money, fame, wisdom. Yeah, probably don't want to say women, eh? Nah. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you are closer than you think, and we are rooting for you. Congratulations. Yours sincerely, Susan, the CEO of YouTube. yeah, guys, this is the 100,000 subscribers. You already know. Came a long way. Presented to Skits by its pair for passing 100,000 subscribers. I might just frame this. I wanna frame it. Shout out to everyone that I started with since 2016. Shout outs to Leon, shout out to Mtandeni. Those are the guys that I started with, like in the beginning, you know. And they just doing our own things right now. We're just doing our own stuff. You know, those are the guys that motivated me to continue. We pretty much motivated each other. So shout out to the boys. Shout out to everyone that I'm working with right now. Shout out to everyone that shoots my content. Yeah, appreciate you guys, and especially you guys for watching my content. You know, data is very expensive in South Africa, but you guys watch my content. You like, you share, you subscribe. You know, you ask me for the content when are you dropping. So I pretty much appreciate that. To the people that I meet in public that ask for the photos and everything, I appreciate you guys as well. I really was gonna be like, I was gonna be like humorous about this, but this is like something that's very important to me, you know. So appreciate you guys so much. Yeah, here's to more hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands, you know. Right now we are on 191,000 subscribers. Can't wait to get to 200,000 subscribers. So please make sure that you click subscribe. It is right here on your screen right now. Yes, appreciate you guys. I don't want to talk too much, you know. Yeah, appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, recommend. Take your friends, your mom, your dad, your ex, your hater. Tell them we hit. Not I, we, because it's a team effort. We hit 100,000 subscribers. More content on the way. Internet Somandla.